In response to Nigeria's quest for development and industrialization, SCC Nigeria Limited invested millions of dollars in the procurement of state-of-the-art equipment for the manufacturing of high-quality steel pipes in Nigeria. SCC manufactured the first gas pipe in Nigeria for NNPC ExxonMobil in 2008, and the factory has been audited and approved for the production of oil and gas pipes by major oil companies in Nigeria. The establishment of a world-class production plant with combined capacity of up to 100,000 tons per annum is realized by the combined vision of the federal government of Nigeria and the technical competence of SCC Nigeria Limited. Double sub-arc helical welded pipes are produced in outside diameter ranging from 508 to 3000 millimeters and a wall thickness from 4.5 to 20 millimeters dependent on diameter and application in steel grade up to X80. The SCC pipe mill currently meets the requirement for water, piling, oil and gas projects. Nigeria and many other African countries can now have regular supply of quality pipes. The factory is strategically located on the outskirts of Abuja, Nigeria's capital city, thereby keeping it close to all project sites across the country. The factory commenced production in 2002. A program of quality assurance is registered in accordance with the requirements of the American Petroleum Institute and the International Standard Organization. SCC's ultra-modern pipe mill uses the helical-formed double-submerged arc welding process. The hot-rolled steel strip passes an edge milling unit where the plate is milled to the required width and the edge is prepared for the welding process. The plate then passes through an edge preform section where the edges are formed to ensure an accurate edge alignment and pipe shape. The pipe is then helically formed with an orbital moving 3-roll bank of accurately shaped rollers. 4 electronically controlled welding heads perform welding inside-out simultaneously to create a weld seam much stronger than the parent metal. The weld seam tracking and weld gap are controlled by electronic laser beam technology and ensures real-time consistent weld bead positioning and on-seam welding. Flux is baked with a unique rocking flux drying oven which separates the flux from the heating elements and ensures constant drying of each particle without oxidizing the flux. It is fed from the oven to the weld hoppers by a conveyor system. To enhance the service capabilities of the manufactured pipe, the weld seam passes through a post-weld heat treatment that heat the 30 mm wide heat affected zone to approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. The steel is then completely recrystallized and any martensite formed in the welding operation is converted to austenite. The hardness of the heat affected zone is normally not allowed to exceed the parent metal by more than 30 Brinell hardness. The pipe is cut to length using a plasma cutoff system and the weld is allowed to cool under atmospheric conditions. Cutting of weld macros is next activity after the pipe has cooled off. The pipe goes through several visual inspection activities thereafter. In order to meet pipes that meet very demanding requirements, the pipe passes through several auxiliary machines. Pipes are end beveled by mechanical beveling machines to ensure accurate joint fitment and welding on site. After end beveling, the pipes are subjected to hydrostatic testing with pressure of up to 210 bars to ensure the overall thickness of the pipe. The pipe continues its journey through the offline UT equipment where pipe ends and body are scanned for laminations and 100% of weld is scanned. The pipes are then weighed and continue to the manual UT proof-of section where defects are rescanned. The pipes thereafter undergo X-ray. The magnetic particle inspection is by a contactless machine that demagnetizes the pipe ends during the ramp down time of the magnetically induced fields. Pipe information is electronically stored on a computer network called the Pipe Information Management System. Pipe data is recorded and stored at every stage of the manufacturing process. The pipes are tracked by a barcode serial number throughout the production process, and pertinent data are recorded in a computerized database. A pipe transaction file contains the sequential list of each successive activity recorded for a pipe. Pipes that are ready for lining and coating are completely cleaned. Any contaminants are removed by a series of processes including internal and external blasting. SCC applies a variety of protective linings and coatings ranging from liquid epoxy to fiberglass reinforced bitumen wrapping and to Butasil, a polymer-modified bitumen. Liquid epoxy linings are used in systems conveying water, sewage and petrochemical products. Liquid epoxy coatings are applied where the piping is to be exposed to an aggressive external atmosphere, such as within a chemical plant or coastal installations. To ensure total customer satisfaction, our clients perform acceptance inspection at the factory. The handling and stacking of pipes within the factory and also during transportation is a fine art, which keeps damage to a minimum. To meet the stringent requirements for oil and gas pipe manufacturing, SCC has established an in-house testing laboratory that is equipped with a chemical analysis machine, hardness tester, Sharpie impact tester, micro and macro equipment, tensile and bend specimen machine. The safety, health and environmental policy of SCC documents the company's intention to operate its steel pipe factory in a manner that protects the health and well-being of their employees, avoid damage to equipment and the reputation of the company, and also avoid adversely polluting the environment. SCC's manufacturing processes are carried out to meet the highest national and international safety and environmental standards. Responsible for sustaining the company's successes are the company's engineering and technical professionals who are totally committed to the delivery of maximum customer satisfaction by ensuring the manufacture of high-quality products. The factory is playing a major role in Nigeria's quest for technology transfer. The Nigerian employees have been well trained in all facets of steel pipe manufacturing and are responsible for almost all aspects of the production process. They ensure that SCC continues to feature prominently in water, oil and gas projects throughout Africa. SCC's pipes will always be preferred because they are made to meet the highest quality.